Nokia 6800 disassembly. You will need the following tools: metal tweezers, a straight-bladed screwdriver, Torx 6 driver for removing screws, torque driver for tightening screws, and the SRT6 opening tool. Be sure to be connected to your ESD wristband. Protect the window with a foil. Remove battery cover. Remove 2 screws from bottom side. Use SRT6 to open the cover. Do not use it in this way, because it damages components on the radio module. Always use SRT6 as shown here. Place it flat, and then pull it down firmly. Do the same on the other side. Separate B cover from A cover. Protect the LC display with a foil. Remove QWERTY keymat right from A cover. Open the flip and take it away over the left side. Don't remove the screws or twist the hinges, because they fit only in one direction. Protect also the inner part of the window. If you need to remove the function keys, you have to press it at these 2 lockings. Now you can remove function keys. Remove 5 screws in the following order. For reassembly, always use new screws because of the lacking compound. Remove transceiver from B cover. The light guide is locked on both sides. Unlock the 2 metal clips of the LCD frame. Remove LCD and frame without touching the spring contacts. The speaker is not changeable. Remove volume keys. Place tweezers under DC jack and between spring contacts, then pull it up. Take the microphone at the front and remove it. Use tweezers as lever when removing the vibromotor. Unlock the antenna box from B cover. Logo clip is locked with 2 snaps. Now the disassembly procedure is completed.